big deep breath in, all the way out. So what brought you in initially, Mr. Marwan?
Kyphosis.
Kyphosis. The kyphosis is something that's becoming very, very common in our society because we're all looking down at our phones all day long or being hunched over at the computer desk.
Is that right?
Of course, if you do that over the course of years and years and years, then we get a change in our structure. All right, so that's what we're working on addressing via exercise and a chiropractic adjustment. So number one, we want to relax these muscles up here. Let it melt, let it relax, all the way over, let it all melt. Nice, relax right there. Woo. That one's gonna make it famous on YouTube. When it comes to kyphosis, we do what we call an anterior dorsal, big deep breath in. Breathe it all the way up. Beautiful, and then a little higher. Nice, and then all the way down. Beautiful, this side facing me. All the way relaxed right there. Woohoo! Beautiful. All right, Marwan, so take a seat for me facing that way. Now, the other thing that we always work on, whenever there's a rounding that's happening here, what we want to do is slouch forward all the way down. There you go. So worst possible posture. And then we work on the mechanoreceptors, round down, to let them know, hey, this is the new posture we want to practice. And then what Marwan does outside of here, he does his exercises. You could get on yoga blocks. Beautiful. Tuck the chin for me all the way. And the most important thing is, we watch our posture. And I've never seen you looking down on a cell phone, correct?
No.
Never. Beautiful, all the way up. Just like that. Power's on, my man.
All right.
Thank you.